Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to do the get to know me challenge, which is 15 questions that I'm going to answer about me. And please excuse the way I look. My hair is not done, but I just have it up in somehow kind of like tied back. So alright, so the first question, what is your channel about? So at the beginning, I think my channel was mainly makeup and stuff like that. It was all to do with makeup. And then I slowly transitioned into like vlogging here and there, story times, pretty much life. So now it's pretty much beauty, life, business, so many different types of videos on this channel. You can go ahead and just check out everything because you will find everything on my channel. Number 2, when do you post videos? So as some of you know, I was really busy working 2 jobs and I'm now getting back into like the swing of things and I'm posting more videos. So it just depends. Like today I just decided to film. I'll probably put this up tonight whenever I have a chance. So if you guys would feel better like me putting up a video every Sunday or every Monday, like let me know if that works for you. If you don't mind me like just randomly putting them up, then just also let me know. Number 3, what do you do for a living? So right now I'm an esthetician. I'm a licensed esthetician and a licensed nail tech. So I do nails and lashes and facials and wax and makeup and everything. So that's what I do. Who is your favorite music artist? I don't really have a favorite music artist. Dang, I listen to a lot of people. So okay, number 5, do you listen to boy bands? If and so who? I do not. Number 6, what is your favorite food and food that you can eat without getting tired of it? Avocado, like for sure. 7, what are your favorite colors? I really like neutral colors like gray, black, white. I like the baby pink. I like so many different colors, it's not even funny. What is your favorite Disney movie? I would have to say Cinderella, like all-time classic. Yep. What is your favorite Netflix show? Right now I'm really into 90 Day Fiance. Like let me know if you guys are watching that because damn, it's like I'm so like addicted to it right now. Like I need to know what's gonna happen next. It's just freaking crazy. Let me know if you watch that also. 10, what music do you prefer, old school or new school? I like both. I really like old school, but then I really love new school. I don't know. 11, what is your favorite Marvel hero? I have no favorite Marvel heroes at all. Number 12, what's your favorite TV show? I don't really watch TV show, but that is a TV show, so 90 Day Fiance as of right now. If I'd have to pick another one, I wouldn't pick one because I don't watch TV. What is your favorite clothing store? I don't have a favorite. I'm boring as hell. This is the show, this is the challenge that you get to know how boring as hell I am. So, yes. Favorite clothing store? I like everything. H&M has really cute things. What is your dream car? I'm thinking I really want to trade my car in and get a Rubicon, like a Jeep. That's kind of a dream car, kind of, because I'm not too into cars, but I would want one of those. Why did you start your YouTube channel and what are your goals? So I started my YouTube channel to get more confidence, which it really helped me. And I'm gonna tell you a little story because this camera right here, this tattoo, so this YouTube or this camera kind of, I get a lot of questions and they're like, why do you have a camera? Like, you must be a photographer or something. But honestly, the whole idea behind this camera is because YouTube really helped me come out of my shell and not be as shy as I used to be. Like I used to be a very shy kid, and I'm still like a shy person, but once I get to know you, like I don't shut up. Yeah, ask my poor husband. But then I'm over it, and YouTube really gave me a lot of confidence. And so this camera doesn't necessarily mean like, oh my god, YouTube, like my whole life's invested in it, but it really did like break the ice, you know what I mean? And so I can talk to the camera, I can talk to more people in person. Like I'm not a front talk, you know, I'm not good at talking to other people. Like I've just always been that awkward ass person, and I just am. And if you know me, you probably have like seen me be so awkward, but that's just how I am. And so my goals weren't to like make money off of YouTube or become this huge YouTuber, because I know, like, I mean, you never know, right? But those aren't my goals. I'm married, I have kids, but I love YouTube. It's very fun for me. So I do have a goal to hit 10,000 subscribers by 2020. So that's cutting it real short. So you guys need to just subscribe, share my video. Yeah, so I have that small goal. It's, I mean, I'm I don't know, 8,000 something. So eventually, you know, it's growing, and I'm just trying to put more into my channel. I love it. It really does bring me joy. When I'm not doing YouTube, I become very just like, what is there to do? You know, it's like a hobby that I'll never let go of, I don't think. So let me know what you guys want to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and that's it. If you watch this video, tag, you have to do it. So I'm tagging all the people. You'll be in my description below. Yeah, you do YouTube, you have to do this video, and that's it. We will talk to you guys later. Bye.